In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your filing in TurboTax. If you need to wipe out your current tax return and start fresh, this process is pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind that clearing your filing removes the tax data you've already entered, so this is best used when you want a clean restart and are sure you no longer need the information currently in the return. To begin, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax account and you're inside the tax return you want to reset. Once you're on the main working screen, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Tax Tools. This section gives you access to several behind-the-scenes options related to your return. So if you've never used it before, that's completely normal. It's a common place to go when you need to make broader changes rather than just editing a single section. After opening Tax Tools, the next thing you'll do is click on Tools. This opens a small menu or pop-up with additional actions you can take on the return. If the menu takes a moment to appear, just give it a second. Depending on your screen size or device, it may show up slightly differently, but the option you need should still be clearly labeled. Once you're in the Tools area, find and click Clear and Start Over. This is the option that tells TurboTax you want to remove the current tax information from the return. Because this action is more serious than a normal edit, TurboTax will usually ask you to confirm before anything is deleted. That extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental resets. When the confirmation message appears, click on I want to clear my tax data. This final selection confirms that you want to erase the entered filing information and begin again from scratch. After you do this, your return will be cleared and you'll be able to re-enter your information as if you were starting for the first time. A helpful tip here is to pause for a moment before confirming, especially if you've already entered a lot of details. If there's anything you may want to reference later, it's a good idea to review it before completing the reset. Once the data is cleared, you may not be able to recover it easily. And that's it. That's how to clear your filing in TurboTax. Using the Tax Tools menu, the Tools option, and the Clear and Start Over feature. If you follow those prompts carefully, you'll have a fresh return ready to go.